Looking to upgrade your outdoor cooking experience with rich, smoky flavor and perfect grilling results? Best BBQ Charcoal Grill options deliver authentic taste, strong heat control, and reliable performance for backyard parties, family gatherings, and unforgettable barbecue moments every time you cook. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Royal Gourmet CC1830S Charcoal Grill. The Royal Gourmet CC1830S Charcoal Grill is designed for backyard cooks who want authentic smoky barbecue flavor combined with practical functionality. With an impressive 823 square inches of total cooking space, this grill easily handles large family gatherings, weekend parties, or slow smoking sessions. The combination of porcelain enameled cooking grates, a chrome-plated warming rack, and an offset smoker provides excellent versatility, allowing users to grill, smoke, and keep food warm at the same time. The attached offset smoker enhances heat circulation and smoke flow, delivering deep, rich flavor to meats without complicated setup. Temperature management is straightforward thanks to the adjustable charcoal pan, which lets you control heat intensity by changing the distance between food and charcoal. The lid-mounted thermometer helps maintain consistent cooking temperatures, giving beginners and experienced grillers confidence while cooking steaks, ribs, or vegetables. Practical design elements make outdoor cooking easier, including a front table and side shelf for seasonings, utensils, and prep work. The bottom storage shelf offers additional space for accessories while keeping everything organized. A convenient side door allows quick charcoal refills and ash removal without interrupting cooking. Overall, the Royal Gourmet CC1830S balances size, performance, and affordability, making it a dependable charcoal grill for anyone looking to enjoy traditional barbecue flavor with reliable heat control and generous cooking capacity. Number 2. Weber 22-inch Charcoal Grill. The Weber 22-inch charcoal grill remains one of the most trusted choices for outdoor grilling enthusiasts who value durability, simplicity, and consistent results. Its classic kettle design offers enough cooking space to prepare up to 13 burgers at once, making it ideal for family meals or casual gatherings. Built with a durable plated steel cooking grate, the grill provides a strong and resilient surface that stands up to frequent high-heat cooking sessions. The porcelain enameled lid and bowl are engineered to retain heat efficiently while resisting rust, peeling, and weather damage, ensuring years of dependable use. One of its standout features is the one-touch cleaning system, which simplifies ash removal with an aluminized steel ash catcher that keeps cleanup quick and mess-free. Airflow control is smooth and precise thanks to the rust-resistant aluminum damper, allowing users to adjust temperatures for searing, roasting, or slow cooking. Glass-reinforced nylon handles remain cool and sturdy even during long grilling sessions, while the angled lid hook offers convenient lid storage. Durable all-weather wheels make the grill easy to move around patios or backyards. Combining thoughtful engineering with reliable performance, the Weber 22-inch charcoal grill delivers classic charcoal flavor, dependable heat control, and long-term durability that both beginners and experienced grillers appreciate. Number 3. Royal Gourmet CC1830V Charcoal Grill. The Royal Gourmet CC1830V Charcoal Grill offers a practical and efficient solution for anyone interested in traditional charcoal grilling and smoking without complicated equipment. Featuring a spacious 443 square inch primary cooking area along with a 184 square inch warming rack, it provides enough room to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. Whether cooking large cuts of meat, vegetables, or burgers, the grill delivers consistent heat distribution through its porcelain enameled cooking grates. Heat management is simple and effective thanks to adjustable air vents and a controllable smokestack, allowing users to regulate airflow and cooking temperature with ease. The adjustable charcoal pan can be raised or lowered to 2 different levels, giving greater control over cooking intensity and helping achieve perfectly seared or slow-smoked results. A lid-mounted temperature gauge allows real-time monitoring of internal heat levels, making it easier to time cooking stages accurately. The grill's design emphasizes straightforward operation while maintaining strong smoking performance, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced barbecue lovers. Its sturdy construction and functional layout encourage relaxed outdoor cooking without constant adjustments. Overall, the Royal Gourmet CC1830V stands out as a reliable charcoal grill that delivers authentic smoky flavor, flexible heat control, and enough cooking capacity for family meals or weekend gatherings. Number 4. Captiva Designs Charcoal Grill. The Captiva Designs Charcoal Grill is built for grillers who need generous cooking space combined with flexible functionality. Offering around 800 square inches of total cooking area, this grill comfortably handles everything from small family dinners to large backyard parties. The spacious primary grilling zone and stainless steel warming rack allows simultaneous cooking and food holding, ensuring meals stay warm while new batches finish grilling. One of its most practical features is the dual liftable charcoal trays, which allow independent heat control across different cooking zones. This setup makes it easy to cook delicate foods on lower heat while searing meats at higher temperatures. 2 foldable side tables provide valuable workspace for preparation, sauces, and tools, while also acting as handles when moving the grill. When folded down, the grill becomes more compact for storage, making it suitable even for limited outdoor spaces. Enamel-coated grilling racks and charcoal trays resist high temperatures and simplify cleaning after use. The sturdy design focuses on convenience, durability, and versatility, helping users enjoy smooth grilling sessions without constant adjustments. With thoughtful features and large capacity, the Captiva Designs Charcoal Grill is an excellent option for those who frequently entertain guests and want reliable performance with adaptable cooking control.
Number 5. DNKMOR Charcoal Grill. The DNKMOR Charcoal Grill combines practical design, efficient heat control, and generous cooking space to create a dependable outdoor grilling experience. With approximately 500 square inches of cooking surface, including porcelain enameled grates and a chrome-plated warming rack, it provides ample room for preparing meals for family gatherings or social events. The enamel coating enhances durability while making cleanup easier after grilling sessions. Temperature management is one of the grill's strongest features, supported by a lid-mounted thermometer that allows users to monitor internal heat without lifting the lid. The 4-level adjustable charcoal pan offers precise control over cooking intensity, making it easy to switch between slow cooking and high-heat searing. Mobility is also well considered, with sturdy wheels and a side handle allowing smooth movement across patios or outdoor spaces. A spacious side table provides a convenient area for seasoning, food preparation, or tool placement, while the bottom shelf adds extra storage for larger grilling accessories. The overall construction focuses on usability and comfort, helping both beginners and experienced grillers achieve consistent results. The DNKMOR Charcoal Grill delivers reliable performance, practical storage solutions, and flexible heat control, making it a solid choice for enjoyable outdoor barbecue cooking. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.